This is my November update of what I've been doing over the last month. I've been repainting my oil wagons. I had 8 Hornby oil wagons that were really plasticky, didn't look that authentic, and I wasn't particularly happy. So what I did is went online, found some photos of wagons that I thought I could copy, and then ordered the paints to repaint them. So what I've gone for is a Rail Match Grey 206 and a Rail Match Red 204. What I did first was took the wagons apart, glued the tops, filled the gaps, rubbed them down a bit, and then resprayed them. When I'd finished respraying the wagons, I put some Fox transfers on to copy the photos I'd found online, and then I put a gloss varnish on to seal the transfers. After that, I then started weathering. I didn't weather all the wagons the same. Some wagons I did heavy weathering, and other wagons I did less weathering. And one wagon I did no weathering at all. In this video, I have got some photos before and some photos after and some running videos, so you can see what I have done. I'm really happy with the outcome, and I hope you like what I've done. Thank you for watching.